a strong policy house and a matter like this is coming up, you should have your own network of technical people who should be able to give your party guidance on how to advocate on a given matter.
Ebusamema wakwa ba yefa mbra Ghana TV GH mesere or like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification also on so that anytime you post a video biti se we usamekebi. Ebusia Senyo Hosi. Mo amonim no. Or you're one of those people out here on more business sector. Musu kase omu ye neutrals or more I can say activism, right? Na mbekaya prior to 2024 election. Senyo Hosi Ekankofua now we are very, very critical of NPP Abai na Akufo-Addo Abai. In fact, such people got a kind of say opportunity on various media houses, and every point in time, no, they trumpeted a view about NPP government, no, or disagreements with policies, now NPP implementing and all. And at every point in time, they did so without ever thinking, say, Ghana as a country, we are not just Ebia or Mambia that started under Akufo-Addo, but everything, every decision, Biano, as a result of what previous governments have also done and its bearing on the current dispensation. Senyo and Co. never ever agreed to this. Adie bia SCBiano, Akufo-Addo fault, Bawumia fault, NPP fault. And then TV3, Joy News, and other media houses provided them with the constant opportunity to bash Akufo-Addo government. And I mean, NPP lost 2024 election. Now, we were thinking, say, the defeat, it was something that was bad. But we didn't know. Senyo Kupon just wanted Ghanaians to see the true essence of the New Patriotic Party. And a revelation has come out, say, as far back as 2015, government ministers be, any appointees be under John Dramani Mahama, the government, were involved in a bribery scandal. Over $1.2 billion. And I say $1 million, Bibisa, right? And then Senyo Hosi, instead of looking your own party, NDC party, in the face and telling them, say, Adena Munkwana, anything concerning bribery, enye Airbus scandal, Saglemi, enye Saglemia, way. Why is the NDC and NDC appointees always involved in international, disgraceful investigations? Senyo Timi Kanasa, on him say ni party assembly, or say NPP ni NDC, we are the same. Charlie, we are not the same. NPP ni NDC, we are never the same, Senyo. Kanukre. Elebe na nyantepe tuna doku Senyo. Onyanyu erebe. NPP toreke. Omele la fireke ke ole zanu ho. No NPP executive, no NPP appointee of Akufo-Addo or John Ajekum Kufuor has ever been involved in an international bribery scandal. Never. So why are you trying to equalize? Leave NPP alone and speak to your own people, Senyo. And as they say that you have lost your voice, it has become a matter of you are observing table manners. When you are eating, you cannot be speaking. Yes, sir. Then if you don't want to speak, then leave NPP alone then. Leave NPP alone and concentrate on the eating you are eating. But anybody that will come at NPP will come at you. And they are no correct. So you better be in your lane. You bring NPP in.
Our parties have become election machines to facilitate people's corruption. They are not major policy houses. Because if you're a strong policy house and a matter like this is coming up, you should have your own network of technical people who should be able to give your party guidance on how to advocate on a given matter? Do we have it? For the most part, no.
We don't use it.
We don't. You will see all people show up around the parties when there's an election and it's gone. Tell me, who apart from an MP sitting there, who is properly the NPP alternate technical voice on power? Tell me, to come up with proper policy analysis, none. You understand? Please, Kojo Poku is not. Yeah. You understand? He was running his CSO and we give him respect and all the work is done there. Where's the policy house?
Okay.
You understand? Look, this thing must end one way. John Mahama, it started with your regime. If your appointees failed you, don't fail Ghana this time. This is a time for you to clean up your own name. We must have a public inquiry, a thorough inquiry. Even if you have to appoint a proper sole commission that people can trust. Let's make sure we use this as a turning point to re-engineer our governance structure. And this thing comes to one thing: political financing. And I like what Asiedu Nketia said. And I appreciate that man so much. It's one of the most one of the realists you have. Sometimes you may not like the way he speaks, but he's real. If we do not deal with political financing and actually the economic risk of politicians, corruption will go nowhere. Those parliamentarians, when they leave government, which of us here will hire them? We won't hire them because we don't want to be tainted. In quotes. So how will these people survive? That is why, for a pittance, decisions that affect generations are taken for granted. And a decision of possibly 100 million or 75 million will become 750 million.
See, also says education, MPP for us, education. Or around on so just continue to do that. Rant it on. I'm happy you are talking the way you are talking. At any rate, let me make a clarification. Poyando.
My time of 5 minutes. But the time now to
that.
That's what I'm asking.
Until we all day. Until we do all day. What I say, you know, so Poyando, incidentally, no. Okra 3 master's degrees. That's one. For almost about 8 years, no administrator. Kumasi South Hospital. Go and check. Or run a mind science skills training school as an administrator for another 8 years. What are you talking about? What more call running? One was always experienced administratively changed, Paul. Paul intentionally decided to use a communication strategy. It was working for MPP. And to me, you know, Paul's loss, MPP's loss. To me. Because he was reaching an audience over the years, MPP phone to me reach you. Because who cook Robia here on patent to go for NDC. And that's a fact. MPP was not able to reach them. And Paul was reaching them. Now, I know, say, when the dust settles, we will go back and find some place for Paul to play in MPP. Easy for them. I'm continuing. I'm going to take care of my home. Most spending over $13 billion. They will do a city. It will continue to do that. When that will go, you move just $2 billion on Krana. And can bet you make cocoa prices. I'm cocoa farmers. Always my fixing all the portals and what I roads. I finish about all the major roads almost here. But you see, as Kano, I got to ice cream, imported ice cream. So I said the whole $2. And you know, there's a huge difference between MPP and NDC. And let's continue to take NDC. We will continue to take more course one go to 2028. Now more all the good things that you are doing and all the bad things that MPP are doing. But me name baby out. But with the break, Kumasi, Central Market, the way you are talking, and see so much me flow crampa.
Also, the Western region.
dirty water na every go so. Marco sa
the Western region.
every go so. Me flood ebe, me second na eba sisi ya. Me see me flood
And you be sure.
na eba sisi ya. Before the eba sisi ya. And I just left second. Now pacho you be sure pa. Now what guys say? Wait. Say no. We have a just as justice system. Etiro, ade no koye NPP ni ani ache no. Ekoye NDC ni ani ama no no prosecute. Etiro, they say no Ghana no, ya come back to the time na ye obia suro so obekasa until say do wan kasa e. Me dey be kasa say kura, me nya careful because me nim NDC ni awotie. Because I hear na ju ya me ti why ba be bob e bomb kunu. Because so wa ko Israel ko just away a tracy will
You, Medasi. Me, person using this opportunity to thank everyone. Waba like
we moto. Now, Mumma, you have
Romeo Casa,
Mo buy 2 years then I'm what I will now catch you so clean.
With the 54 million acquire cathedral, all the complaining. Going to me post it.
Cathedral no be aba kasa one
I see 100 million.
It is as kind of way.
Obi aka o Western ready hen fa kwa na wo. Western ready hen fa kwa na wo. O Western hen fa kwa na. O wa second be kasa nsuo ho ate. Ye yegu azim. Ankobra ho tano. Ene ala ozuro ho ye kasa Western nsuo ina. Go and see how River Pra has been turning to. I say Tom Brown. What ye kasa Western ready nsuo ho ate. What second even na what?
Don't lie.
Kushini. Don't lie. Don't wanna lie.
Don't lie.
Because
Shama is where I teach. I teach in Shama. Stop lying. When you meet those people, you can talk to them like that. Stop lying.
Oh, Charlie. Enye bete. Yeah, the Western of Ochina de beto ya de nti. Omo wie ne mu mutiri nkwa. Yeah. Yeah, chacha mu nyina. Emi say ni edi kan no aseda no yede ma obi a o platform we so ne madam ya wa ma ya kwanya say nyina obi a che na adwen wo party no kwan ya fa so ebe hihye enema ahwe agu a ye pese hihye enema yeyi nkatebon ni free mu ne yede papa no ba say be ya sorry 2028 no enema betimi aye simple ama campaign no intimi nkonkoye very difficult and from Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia executive I from the branch level, from the polling station up to the top, the national level. No, every many competent people are competing about why. I'm say nipa obia chere na adwen bebre na me wachire na me tie bi me de na be example NPP yanji niema bi antum a da bi ebedunu ye ho na ya sansere one say admit say 2024 ye adwuma but adwuma no na enye adwuma na ebetimi di nkunu bi abraye because of na arrogance ewe bi mu kasantwie wo kan asem pani bi amfa the voice the ministry you be platform be ne kasa be on one platform so every day na me koso oka obia mfio now akwanya na aba no near from the constituency we did it region ene ebi moko achina ebeto aso ye free ho na national so ye ko ye ni mo biara wagina position bia ewo national ye ni mo bia performance obia wagina position bia no ye ni mo bia performance ye the party ni ma ebi mu ana party ni wo power ene sankofo no san ba say yen san mo mandate no san to aso party ni opposition nipa no ba obisa no say bema obae no 2022 na obae no ye the party ni ma na party ni ye very healthy ye the ma abra na party ni wo power but now wasan ba say yensan fa akonya no mawa obae no unkuta hwe na ade bae first one na obae ma good ni niema bebre oba kura ka shiri kura ne ahoma kura wankuta bi amfa ma wosan se yemfa ma onko so ye biso omo a ombenya answers ade ama yen say we ni na ma ye lusu ye mo de party ni ma power but yesan ba bi wa ye de opposition na eba ana say ye di yeti bench na ye ba obeba abekira ase enti obi biara oye national executive a many akwanya na hia bia me bisa na question no maybe so simple oba ye the power man 4 years ago in Accra national elections the notice adibi na adibia no wo ya yese kan ma ho ebi mu MPs ni bi mu bebi omo ye